Hello. Man with skills here. Well, I decided to pull out my mining rig for cryptocurrency and gotta knock some dust off of it. It's been sitting up. I need to go ahead and complete this and get it done. When you're running multiple hobbies and skills, sometimes you forget what you need to actually be completing sometimes, because you get overwhelmed with a lot of other projects, life, kids, stuff like that. So I decided to go ahead and check this rig out, make sure it's gonna be working properly. So I'll tell you some of the things I'm looking at right now. Number one, I have to get a lot of the dust off of here. So the motherboard is pretty dusty. I want to get that cleaned off. Then I gotta make sure that the power supply is okay. Processor fan, clean it up pretty good, get rid of the dust. The little mini hard drive, it should be okay still. Reset is fine. Fans, yeah, we know they're kicking. Nice smooth action, no delay into it, so they're just fine. USB ports fine, that's fine, nothing loose. HDMI, you know, if you want to run it to your television. Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, we'll start taking it apart once I get it out of here. We'll be right back.